Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Today I'm going to share with you very delicious, quick and easy, yummylicious, creamy mushroom spaghetti recipe. It's very easy, healthy and perfect for dinner recipe. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from my channel and get to know about all my videos. Now for making spaghetti, here I have taken a pan. To that I am going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, and to that I am going to add 1 tablespoon of oil as well. I am using butter and oil for making it tastier, but if you want to make it much more healthier, if you are on a diet, you can use extra virgin olive oil, but the taste will differ. Now it's nice and hot. I am going to add 100 grams of boneless chicken, which I have cut into very small bite-sized pieces, and I'm going to season them with salt and pepper. And you have seen that I have browned the butter so that this will give a very nutty flavor to the pasta. So I have added 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix it. And fry them over medium flame for 5 minutes, and within 5 minutes they are cooked through. So I'm going to remove it on a plate. And now in this brown nutty flavored butter I'm going to cook the pasta. For that, here I'm adding 1 small size onion which I have finely chopped, and I'm going to fry them for 2-3 minutes over medium flame till they are translucent. We don't need to caramelize the onion. See, this translucent onion is okay because we are making pasta, not gravy. Now to that I'm going to add some mushrooms. Here I have taken button mushroom. I have added 5-6 button mushroom which I have sliced thinly. Now fry them over high flame for a minute or 2. Next, add 1 teaspoon of grated garlic and fry them for a minute so that the raw smell of garlic goes away. Mushroom does not take time to cook. Mushroom, butter and garlic, these are the combination or match made in heaven. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of flour or plain flour or maida and mix it and cook it so that the raw smell of the maida goes away. For 2 minutes I'm going to cook it over medium to low flame. Don't burn the flour. Be careful. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of milk here and mix it thoroughly so that no lumps form in there. You can use cream instead of milk, but I'm making it a bit healthier. Next, add salt according to your taste. And half a teaspoon of black pepper. You can use white pepper powder, but I don't have white pepper powder, so I'm using normal black pepper powder. Next, I'm going to add the fried chicken. Mix. Then grated cheese. I'm using normal processed cheese, 2 cubes of grated cheese. I'm using Britannia brand, but you can use cheddar cheese, Swiss cheese or any other cheese of your choice. That's up to you. Whatever cheese is available. Now mix it till the cheese melts. Now to that sauce I'm going to add 100 grams of boiled spaghetti, and I have showed you in my previous video of aglio olio that how to make or how to boil spaghetti. So I am going to leave the link in the iCard or description box. You can check it. Now it's quite done. I'm going to add handful of parsley, chopped parsley, and mix it. and that's it. It's done. Now I'm going to take it out on a plate. So as you can see, within like no time, within 15 to 20 minutes, our dinner is ready. So creamy mushroom spaghetti is ready. Doesn't it look so delicious and yummy-licious? Just make this recipe and your family is going to love it. And let me know in the comment section about the feedback, and like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.